Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to tag people in videos that you have already uploaded on Instagram. So let's begin. First, let's open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, go to your profile page, and to do that, look on the bottom right hand corner. You should see an icon right here to the right of this heart symbol. So click on this icon, and that takes you to your profile page. Once here, find the video that you like to tag these people into, and I'll click on this video over here. Okay, this is the video that I want to tag somebody into. Okay, if I've already found the video, if you look on the upper right hand corner, you should see these three dots. Okay, click on those, and then a menu appear from the bottom. On this menu, click on where it says edit. Okay, this comes up, and this is the edit info page. Once you get to here, do you see over here where it says tag people? Click on that. And then from here, you can just, to tag people, click on the plus. Okay, click on that plus, and then search for the person that you like to tag. Okay, so this is the person, and I'll click on this since they appear. And there you go. As you can see here on the bottom, I have tagged them into the picture. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Oh, before I go on, make sure you click on save. Otherwise, your changes will not save. So click on save, not save, done on the upper right hand corner. And it will ask you to do it twice. Okay, all that is done. Every changes I've saved. Okay, now if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.